Hello students, welcome back to the class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and well at your home. Now students, after doing the addition and subtraction of metric measures, now we will do the multiplication and division related to metric measures. And just like addition and subtraction, multiplication and division of metric measures are also the same as we were doing in the whole numbers. Right students? So I have taken few questions from your work exercise. The first question says multiply 17 liter 825 milliliter by 15. So we have to multiply this given term which is in liter and milliliter by 15. So for multiplication, very first what you will do, you will write this value in just a combined form. So let us write it in numerical form 17 8 to 5 like this. So you will write it in this form and perform the simple multiplication as you were doing. So let's multiply this term by 15. Then later on after multiplication we will separate it into liters and milliliters. Very first do the multiplication here. So we will start with the multiplication process. 5 5s are 25, 5 here, 2 carry. 5 2s are 10. Plus 2, 12, 1 carry, 5 8s are 40, plus 1, 41, 4 carry, 5 7s are 35, plus 4, 39, 3 carry, 5 1s are 5, plus 3, 8. So we get 8, 9, 1, 2, 5. Now we will multiply by the second digit also. The digit is 1. So put a cross at one's place and now let's start multiplying 1 with 5. So 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 8s are 8, 1 7s are 7 and 1 1s are 1. Understood student? Now this multiplication portion is done. Now it's time to put the addition. Let's add these two columns now. So 5 2 plus 5, 7, 2 plus 1, 3, 8 plus 9, 17, 1 carry, 8 plus 7, 15, plus 1, 16 and 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2. Now you get the answer as 2, 6, 7, 3, 7, 5. Clear students? Now it's time to separate the value between liters and milliliters. So students, as you know that the relation is 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. That means the value in milliliter should be less than 1000. It means it should be a 3-digit number or a 2-digit number, but can't be a 4-digit number. So here what we will do, we will actually separate the last 3 digits and then the rest of the digits. So we will separate 1's place, 10's place and 100 place digit and that we will put along with milliliters. So what will be your final answer then? Your final answer will be 267 liter 375 milliliter. Understood students? So you have to separate the last 3 digits just because it is the relation between liter and milliliter. If there will be any relation between meter and centimeter, then you will separate only 2 of the last digit numbers, that is 1's place and 10's place only. Since this relation is between liter and milliliter, so it will take 3 digits. So your final answer is 267 liter 375 milliliter. I hope this multiplication part related to metric measure is clear. Now coming to the second part in which you have to divide, and you have to divide 3982 kg 592 gram with the value 32. So let us perform the division, and once again as I told you, division will be also the same manner. Write the values 3982 592. So we have written all the digits together here, 3982 592, and by which value we have to divide this? We have to divide it by 32. Clear students? So let's start performing the division now. Now 32 ones are 32. Then subtract the value. 9 minus 2, 7. 3 minus 3, 0. Then let's bring down this 8. 32 2s are 64. Subtract the value. 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down the next digit, which is 2. Now 32 4s are 128. So 32 4s are 128. Subtracting up here, 12 minus 8 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 and 1 0. Now we will bring the next digit down, and the next digit down will give us 145. So once again, 32 4s are 128. Subtract the value. 5 minus 8, so that will become 15 minus 8, that will 7. 3 minus 2, 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. What we will do next? We will bring down the next digit. The next digit is 179. So when you will bring this 9, it will become 179. Now read the table of 32 and we need 179 or less than this value. So now we have to divide 179 by 32. So 32 5s are 160. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 carry. So that is 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. Subtracting the value here, you will get 9. 7 minus 6 is 1. So what you get is 19. Bringing the last digit down, that is will make it 192. Now 32 6 are 192. And when you will subtract the value, your remainder becomes 0. That means our division is complete. Now it's time to write the answers in terms of kg and grams. So once again students, since the relation between kg and gram, that 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. So obviously there will be a pair of 3 digits. So here once again we will make the pair of 3 digits from the last. That means from 1's place, 10's place and 100 place. So what is your final answer? The final answer for this question will become, the final answer will be 124 kilogram and 456 gram. This will be your final answer. 124 kg, 456 gram. Clear students? So this is how you can perform the multiplication and division of the metric measures. Understood? Now moving to the next question, in which I have taken a word problem, and let's read the word problem and find out how to solve this up. So the question says, Mr. Gupta travelled 75 km 800 meter by car. So Mr. Gupta is going on a travelling and he has covered 75 km 800 meter by car and 1800 km 40 meter by airplane. So this is the distance covered by car and this is the distance covered by airplane by Mr. Gupta. What distance did he travel in all? So you have to find what is the total distance traveled by him. So what you will do? Which operation we will use here? Addition, subtraction, multiplication or division? Yes students, just because you have to find the total distance covered by him, so we will add the value. So let us write the statement very first. So your solution will begin like this. Distance covered by car. Distance covered by car. How much distance he covered by car? 75 kilometers and 800 meter. Then the second statement will be distance covered by aeroplane. So how much distance he covered by airplane? That is 1800 kilometers and 40 meter. Now since we have to find the total distance covered, so for finding the total distance covered, we will add the value. So let us add this value, and for addition, as we know that we write the bigger value at the top. So very first let's write kilometer and meter, and the distance covered by aeroplane is 1800 kilometer and 40 meters, whereas the distance covered by the car is 75 kilometer 800 meters. So 800 we will write like this. The place which is vacant we will fill it by 0. Now let's add the value here. So 0 plus 0 will become 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 7 is 7. Then is your 8 and 1. So what is your final answer? That means how much is the total distance covered? So the total distance covered is equals to 1875 kilometers and 840 meters. So how much is the total distance covered by Mr. Gupta? 1875 kilometers, 840 meters. So I hope today's lesson, in which we have discussed multiplication, division of matriculation along with a sample of word problems, is clear to all of you. Kindly go through your book exercise and complete the questions in the same manner with proper methods in your notebook. Thank you for the lesson, students. Have a great day.